this video, we're unboxing and installing Ford Explorer left rear wheel arch molding. Left rear wheel arch molding. Trim clips. Tools required for removing and installing the Ford Explorer left rear wheel arch molding. Small 5.5mm short socket. Small speed wrench. Trim removal tool for assisting with clip removal. Use a small 5.5mm short socket together with a small speed wrench to remove all the mounting screws from the left rear wheel arch molding. Remove the screws. Open the door. After removing all the mounting screws from the left rear wheel arch molding, firmly pull outward to remove the molding. Use a trim removal tool to remove any remaining clips. Comparison between the old and new left rear wheel arch molding. Before installing the new left rear wheel arch molding, we need to install the trim clips onto the molding. Align the clips with the holes on the left rear wheel arch molding and install them. Install the remaining clips in the remaining holes using the same method. View after all clips are installed. Align the clips on the left rear wheel arch molding with the mounting holes and install it. Once the holes are aligned, tap the left rear wheel arch molding into place. Continue the installation. After the left rear wheel arch molding is installed, align the holes and install the molding mounting screws. Use a small 5.5mm short socket together with a small speed wrench to tighten the left rear wheel arch molding mounting screws. Tighten until secure. Continue tightening the remaining screws. After installation is complete, close the door.